So right here I got lemon into the water. Cucumber. Fresh mint. So remember to wash your ingredients, guys, alright? It's very important for you to wash your ingredients. Right here I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Alright. So in the bottle I put roughly about 2 slices of lemon. Alright guys, it's better for you. And a few amount of cucumber well inside of it. Alright. Leave it at your work surface and make it settle for roughly about 30 minutes. Alright, so the same thing I'm gonna do with this one. And with this one, you put some fresh mint into it and some lemon into the water like this, and some cucumber. Sorry, but put some water into it. Put it into the water like this. Sorry, I was talking about chefcook. Alright, but remember, use at least half a lemon or 1 lemon inside of it. Alright, 1 slice of lemon is very good. Alright, beautiful. Now, as you can see for yourself, but the more mint and cucumber and lemon inside of it is much better. Then get the apple cider vinegar, pour in it like this, and in it like this. Alright, and what you can do is drink this, especially if you're doing a lot of exercise, you're working in the bank, wherever you're working. It's just good for you to drink this. You know what I mean? Just leave it at the work surface for about half an hour or 30 minutes for it to dissolve into the water. Very powerful detoxing right here. And I would encourage you guys to give this one a try at home. Yeah, lovely and delicious. So here it is again from chefcook, or you can also detox your body at home. New brand recipe from chefcook. So stay tuned in for more tips and more ideas. Bye bye.